Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back to TMT. As we will be always doing live streaming sessions every single day from 10 to 11, and we have been doing two long positions. One is silver, another one is gold. So I'm not so sure how much we can gain about it, but we are definitely doing long positions from the silver. So we have been doing long positions on silver. Hopefully that we can actually hold on it. So if we do hold on it, I think should be not a really big problem to reach our TP area. But if we can, then it's too bad. Because overall, my expectation is that the gold and silver is actually forming at the bottom, especially on the gold perspective. So that's why I keep on calling everyone to do long positions. So yeah, let's see. Even though the entry level it's not as good as my thought, because my actually expectation is that the price would be struggling on 70. So 77 is actually a really big struggle support. So let's see, can we hold it down? So if the price do really hold down, I do expect that the price should be going back to 86, around that area. But if we can't, and at least we do have something out of it. I think the best trade maybe is the silver, because silver I think we can actually keep on holding on it and see whether or not the price do really go back to the top sides. So we keep on holding on it and see how it turns out. From the gold, it's still struggling. From now, what we can see is that the market is actually forming a ranging level. So that's why my SL is a bit much more further away, because I'm actually expect that the price might be swiping us off. So that's why we are actually give out a much more safer area. So 67, 66 and 65. Hopefully that the price should be going back towards on the higher sides. To be honest, we already expected that there's a resistant area from here. I mean, this is what we call the slowing down phase. So this is our expectations are, okay? So we already expect that the price should be slowing down from here, 3383.13. So this is the area that we are actually expect that the price is slowing down. So let's see, can we hold it down? To be honest, right now really can't expect the market what will be doing, but this is the area that we are actually expected that the price is slowing down. So let's hope for the best and see what can we do about it. Okay, so let me know what's your thought on the comment section below. What do you think? Do you think that the gold, I mean the gold market is going lower, or if you are thinking the gold market is going higher? Okay, so let me know what's your thought on the comment section below, and I'm hopefully that everyone can give me your send out your thoughts on the comment section below, so that we can actually have much more interactions each other. Okay, so as I mentioned before, we'll be doing long positions. Why we are doing long? Okay, the first thing first, what is the trend of the market? Currently we can see that the trend of the market is actually going in the bullish perspective, so it's actually going higher. So why we are saying that? Okay, looking at the bigger time frame, we can see that the market is actually from Friday, the Jackson hole, okay, swiping up. And then this is what we call the the Monday. So Monday is sweeping up and the price is rejections back. And after that, we can see that the price is actually facing a major resistance on 95. So I think the price is actually showing us some kind of ranging area. So that's why we are actually trying to do long positions at should be going back to this. The price should be going a ranging level. So I'm actually giving out 77. So 77 is actually quite a good area. So 77, 76, or maybe 78. Then 77, 76, or maybe even 75 is actually a really good area, and see how the price reacts. I think we should be holding on it another 10 to 20 minutes. I think the silver is looking quite good lah. So we are holding on silver, and hopefully the silver will be reaching back to our TP area. And after that, we'll be keep on doing other pairings. So silver, I don't think is a really big problem. Should be not a big problem because I do expect the price might be forming a ranging from here lah. Gold, from the other hand, I also expect the price is going ranging. So if you wanted to, I think you don't put stop loss at the bottom because I do scare that the price might be swiping back to this low. So everyone need to prepare yourself. This is our expectations, and everyone need to be aware. Okay, so yeah, I think I just keep on marking it first. So on the Euro USD pairings, let's see on the Euro USD pairings. Mark up first. Right, and price go to this level. Price didn't really reach through, forming back, solid resistance, reaching back, and we can see that price is actually reaching back to this low. Let's see what's the price range on this one. 1.1680. Okay, so let's see. Oh, wow. Sync 0 and price is actually sites. So yeah, the price is actually forming it. Price do really form support at the beginning. Expect that the price is actually wanted to go back to the top sides, but in the end the price do really go lower, reaching back to this weekly low. Weekly low, once the price has been reaching through, this is what we call Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, and this is the last Friday low. Price is actually reaching back towards on the lower side. So yeah, exhaustions is actually happening. To be honest, I also not so sure is it going higher or going lower, but anyway, silver is actually looking good. So silver, we are keep on holding on it. Not so sure about the gold market, so we'll be keep on doing long positions and see how it turns out. Okay, so remember everyone, give us a like and subscribe. Okay, I think the price might be forming a ranging level, but I do hope that the price is spiking back to the top sides. Not so sure what is going on the dollar index, but we do hope that the dollar index is actually weakening down later on. So if the dollar index is actually weakening down, then we will be having some good opportunities on gold market, will be going higher. But I think my entry level is still considerable quite okay lah, because we do see that the 4-hour range from this is actually showing us that it's big rejections on this one and swiping up. So right now it's actually forming some kind of ranging level at this moment. So we'll be keep on holding on it and see how it turns out though. So if we do can end up, I think we can actually earn much more on the silver. I think we can actually keep on holding on it as well. Let's see, can we reach back to the top side, okay? So remember, if you do really like my content, please give us a like, subscribe, follow us, and do remember that we'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday from 10 to 11. Okay, every single day. So, but the market is actually quite softened out. Yeah, to be honest, Euro USD is actually a really funky pairing. Price to really reach back. So this is what we call the Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Price to really reach. Sorry, this is first, second, third week. Price sweeping out, going back to the lower side. I think the price is actually not quite possible to break through lower sides. So I do think it's much more likely to see a price to swipe up. But from what we can see, price is forming a ranging swiping up. Yeah, I think the price is going higher. But I will be keep on watching it and see. Oh shit, lagging. Let's see on the GBUSD. I'm also expecting that the GBUSD is actually going lower as well. So let's rewrite on the GBUSD pairings. Okay, let's see. GBUSD actually going back to low, and price to really go back. I think the silver should be not a really big problem. Should be going back to 4.6. Gold market, on the other hand, is also reaching back. So we keep on doing long positions and see what can we do about it. So hopefully we can actually reach back to the top sides and going back to the higher sides. USD, what's my expectations for USD? USD, I think this week my expectation is that the price is not likely to go back to the higher sides in a short period of time, so the price should be going ranging. So after that, price is going lower. So what is really going on from the Euro USD? Reaching back, forming a big ranging level. Excuse me. To be honest, I do think that it's not quite likely to see the price of Euro USD is, price of the Euro USD is actually going higher. So yeah, 10 lot size. Hopefully we are right, but I do think the market is actually slowing down, forming a ranging level. So yeah, let's see. But hopefully we can actually hit our TP area later on. Price to really spike up and reach back to our TP area. Price to really slow down from here. So let's see how the price reactions later on and see how the market reacts. Okay. Okay, so we'll be keep on doing long positions and hopefully we can actually reach back to our TP area. So yeah, I do expect that the market is actually forming up and going back to the top sides. And let's see, can we make it? Can we make it to the TP area? Okay, so this is our results. So let's see, can we make it to the top area? Not much lah, but at least we got something out of it. So so remember everyone, keep on give us out your supports, a like and subscribe, and remember that we'll be keep on doing live streaming sessions no matter what happens. Okay, I think it's actually the same thing, the GBP/USD pairings, because the GBP/USD is actually reaching back towards on this level, reaching back, swiping out from why? Because reaching, it's not quite likely to reach back to the top sides. So yeah, one yeah, price is actually swiping and forming a ranging level. Quite likely to form a ranging level. AUD/USD, let's see. AUD/USD is one of my hated hated product, to be honest. So yeah, let's see. AUD/USD is actually reaching back towards on this level, reaching through and reaching through this area, and do expect that the price is this Indian news. Okay, so let's see. Price really reach through, going lower. Reaching back to to be honest, I do think the market is going back. It's not quite likely to continue breaking through. So this is what we call the major supporting level. Price to really reach through. Exhaustions means that price will be going that much lower, bouncing back. And from the New Zealand USD pairings, I'm also expecting it. So yeah, looking good. New Zealand USD pairing. Let's see. Price to really through this level. System area. Swiping out. Price to really through. Reaching through. Hopefully go back to the top side. Everything is looking good at the moment. And silver, yeah, I think silver should be quite alright. It's actually swiping back. It's not quite likely to go back to the top, I guess. It's much more likely to go through a ranging level. So yeah, Maybe this might be giving out some resistance from the gold, but we'll be keep on taking back to the top sides. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Let me see. Okay, so we have been doing two long positions. One is gold and one is silver. Silver might be handing over it, but gold will be keep on doing long positions and see how can we do. 84. Well, let's see. Do you think we can actually hit to 84? So we keep on doing long positions and see how it turns out. Silver should be hanging there and see what can we do much more about it. And yeah, we'll be keep on doing long positions and see what can we do much more about it. And for the gold market perspective, we'll be keep on holding it and see how much we can gain more. Okay, so gold market should be not a really big problem. Okay, so hopefully everyone can give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And do remember that we'll be keep on doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday from 10 to 11, and we'll be keep on doing live trades for you guys. Okay, so if you do really like my content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, yeah, I do think it's actually quite good. With 84 should be alright, I guess. Okay, so hopefully everyone do like our content and give us some support out of it. Okay, price should be silver. Silver should be forming a ranging level. My expectations are will be forming X ranging level, and I was thinking price might be going there by 20 pips, but seems like it might take some time. Gold should be not a really big problem. Let me see. Price to reach through first example. I do think we can actually prosper to reach through 86. But do we need to put our stop loss break even? This is a headache. Let's see. Do we put a stop loss to break even? Okay, break even price slowing down. Yeah, I do think if the price really should be slowing down. Let's see how it turns out. Yeah, this is my expectations for silver. To be honest, I also expect that silver is forming a ranging level. But the gold market is a bit worried. Not so sure is it possible to reach 86. Or we can actually put to our break-even point now. If we do hit, then no point, no choice lah. Set to break even from gold. I do expect a price might be reaching here. If that's the case, then no choice. And we just aim back to let's see. Can we get back to 86? My expectation is that price might be going back to 86 well. So if that's the case, then let's see how it turns out. And other than that, the silver is in the crude oil is actually going quite strong. So yeah, we'll be keep on doing live trading sessions every single day from Monday to Friday from 10 to 11. Okay. USD is actually spiking back. GBSD, New Zealand USD. Yeah. Crude oil. Silver is actually looking good, but not so sure about the gold. Gold might be slowing down, but reaching back. Let's see how can we reach through before to really reach through lah. Rest, let's see, can we make it back to TP2 and TP3. New Zealand USD. I think to overall this week we have been doing quite great because we are waiting it from the bottom to reactions, and then after that we do expect a bigger time frame and it's actually slowing down. So entering is actually quite okay. And from the go, spiking back. I think the dollar index, not so sure. Let's see. TP2. TP2 is 86. I think 86 should be not a really big problem if the price wanted to go higher a bit. I do expect the market might be going higher a bit rather than going lower, but there's also higher chances that the price will be continue going ranging lah. So in other way, we just protect ourselves lah. Okay, so we just need to protect ourselves. If we can get it, then get it. If we can't, then we just put break even lah. Okay, so let's see. Overall, my expectation is that we are doing quite alright on the entry side. Not so sure can we get back to TP area. Yeah. Do think the price might be reaching back towards hitting our break-even point, but we'll be looking at it and see how it turns out lah. Okay, and hopefully we can actually hit our TP2. Our TP2 is 86. If we get to 86, we are actually gaining back to 70 pips, and this one we are actually getting 30 pips, so not a really consideration to close earlier, I guess. So we'll be continue holding on it and see how it turns out. Silver, I'm much more convenient about it because at the most, silver might be forming a ranging level, but we'll be keep on holding on it from the go and see can we reach back to 86 or even higher. Okay, 86, 82, 84. Yeah, let's see can we get that. 77, really good price, but not so sure can we hit to our TP2. Okay, silver might be slowing down. Not quite likely to push back to the top side, but overall my expectations is still on hold, so we'll be keep on holding on it and see how it turns out. So remember everyone, if you do really like my content, please give us a like, subscribe and follow us. And do remember that we'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day from 10 to 11. And yeah, hopefully everyone can give us a like and subscribe. Okay. But my phone is almost out of juicer. So means that I might be closing out early today. Not so sure about the gold market, but we'll be keep on holding on it and see can we get back to 86, and hopefully we can actually get some of it. Okay, 77, and if we do, we can actually get to 80 to 80 pips, 80 to 90 pips. It's actually quite good. Okay, so let's see can we reach back to this 86 area. So remember everyone, if you do really like my content, please give us a like and subscribe. And if you want to know more about my trading strategy is more overall, it's what we call the TMT, trend, momentum, and timing. So what is trend, what is the momentum, and what is timing? So trend, that's you need to know what is the smaller time frame, and then what is the bigger time frame. And then the second thing is the momentum, what is the momentum is showing, and the third thing is timing. So once you get it all right, then you should be quite good on your setup and your entry level. Okay, so let's hopefully that we can actually TP out on this level, and should be not a really big problem, but not so sure about the silver market, to be honest. Okay, so I'll be doing live streaming sessions on 50 minutes. I mean, maybe ending on 50, because my phone is almost out of battery. So I do think it's almost ending soon as well. So yeah. Hopefully we can actually reach back to 80 pips. If we do get it, then should be quite alright. Not so sure can we make it to the top yet. So if you do have any questions, feel free to ask us on the comment section below, and I will be happily answer your questions. Let's see. Okay, so we keep on holding on it. We have been doing two positions from gold and silver, and hopefully we can actually hit our TP area. Should be not a problem, risk free. I think I'm much more concerned about the silver. Do we want to keep on holding on it, or just keep on put our I do expect the price might be forming a ranging level at that period of time, so we'll be keep on holding and see how it turns out. And from the goal, hopefully we can reach back to 86. Uh, what is going on the dollar index? Dollar index is actually reaching through some kind of slowing down phase, but still quite strong. If the market is actually reaching back to this level, then possible, but not quite sure about this one. Yeah, we'll be keep on holding on it and see what can we do about it from the gold market. So gold market will be ending on 86. 84 is also quite okay. So 80, 83, 84. And let's see from the other pairings. Not so sure because the price is actually slowing down, but acceptance quite high. So there's a possibility that the price might be reaching back lower. But if that's the case, then I'm okay with it. Hit our break even. So let's see, can we hit our TP area to 86? So because if we do, I think not quite much. So I'm actually getting much more higher. Let's see. Silver is also actually slowing down, so should be forming slowing down area. And let's see tomorrow. Yeah, I think so. Okay, so today we have been giving out two trading signals. Yesterday we also give out a signals from here. So yesterday we also doing quite great on this one. So you can see that we have been doing long positions on this area, this bottom area, and we are actually getting out really great on this one. The second one, we are actually on the AUD/USD. AUD/USD, we have been swiping out from the market, swiping by the market. So you can see that actually this one we have been swiping out from the market because of the spread and also the liquidity. But I do think that this trade is not doing quite great. To be honest, this trade I was pending on break even. So this trade I'm actually pending on break even at the beginning, but the price didn't really stop out. So I think it's actually the liquidity problem of some sort. So once the price really reach back, then the price, you can see that the price didn't really even touch it, but yeah, do hit it. So we'll be needing to adjust my strategy in the future, but if we do trade on AUD/USD pairings. Okay, so yeah, we'll be keep on watching on the gold market and see can we make it back to 86. But the worst case scenario is that the price might be reaching back towards on break even point. That's also a case. So you'll be asking me why I don't want to close my positions right now. Okay, the main reason is that it's not much. So it's not quite much, it's about 50 pips. It's not quite much. So I think we can actually get to 86 area. So I will be probably just getting it and see can we reach out. Silver, most likely we need to hold overnight because I don't think we can actually get to our TP area at the short period of time. So we'll be keep on holding on it and see how it turns out. Okay, so remember everyone, if you do really like my content, please give us a like, subscribe, follow us. And remember that we'll be keep on doing live streaming sessions from 10 to 11. And yeah, I will be keep on doing it and try to give us some support out of it, okay? To be honest, I'm also not so sure can we reach through 86 or not. Hey, I think should be around that area. Not so sure can we get back to 86. But yeah, I think we can actually close it out. Yeah, I think should be quite alright lah. 86 is possible. Let's hold it in and see how it turns out. We can actually close it out if we wanted to. How much is the big difference? Looks, we can just hold it on it, see how it turns out. Let's see the dollar index. Is it weakening down? We'll keep on showing this swipe up, swipe low. I think we can actually close out this. Let it fly. Yeah, close it out and reaching true. So we have been profit up to 50 pips, I guess 70 pips around that area. So yeah, overall it's looking quite all right. Do think we can actually get much more, to be honest. This is not a really good one. So yeah, luckily we do get back to 70 to 80 pips around that area. Okay, so I think that's all for today because my phone is almost out of battery. So hopefully everyone, if you do have any questions, feel free to ask on the comment section below. If not, we'll be stopping out today live streaming session. So remember everyone, give us a like and subscribe, and do remember that we'll be every day doing live trades and live streaming from 10 to 11. So hope